Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Let's continue our exercise of Think 1, exercise 1a, chapter number 1, question number 3. If n is a whole number such that n multiplied with n plus 42 is a prime number, find the prime number. So the given equation is n multiplied with n plus 1, n plus 42. It should be a prime number. So let's start with number 1. Let n is equal to 1. Now when n is equal to 1, putting the value of 1 in there, so n means 1 multiplied with 1 plus 42. So 1 plus 42 is 43, multiplied with 1 is 43, and 43 is a prime number. So this is our answer. Now moving towards the question number 4. Find the prime factorization of the following in index notation. First part is 72. So we can write 72 there, taking the LCM. 36, 18, 9, 1. So we get 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3. In index notation we can write 2 cube multiplied with 3 square. So this is our answer. Part B, 756. We take the LCM of 756 as well. So what we get, square of 2 multiply with cube of 3 multiply with 7. So this is our answer. Now part C is 187. So we take the LCM of 187. So 187 comes in the table of 11 and 17 times 11 is 187 and 17 times 1 is 17. So its answer will be 11 multiplied with 17. The final part, 630. We take the LCM of 630 as well. So our answer will be 2 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 3 square multiplied with 7 in index notation. Now moving towards the question number 5. Express 2026 as the product of its prime factorization, and part B we will do later. Now for part A, for finding prime factorization we have to take the LCM of 2026 like that. Since it is an even number, we divided it by 2. Now 1013 is not divisible by any other number other than itself, so we can write it 1013. So what factors we get? 2 multiplied with 1013. This is the answer of our first part. The part B state that given that A and B the whole numbers such that A is less than B and A multiplied with B is 2026, write down all the possible pairs of A comma B. So since it is a prime number, both are prime numbers, so what we can write is the two factors must be 1 comma 2026, or we can say 2 multiply 2 comma 1013. So these are the two possibilities to write 2026 as a prime factorization. Hopefully you understand these all 5 questions. We will meet you inshallah soon. Kindly support and like and subscribe my channel. Jazakallah.